Good morning, students. Today we'll start with our writing task, letter to the editor. As you know, in our writing section there are only 3 long writing tasks: article, report writing and letters to the editor, and one more, job application. So today we'll start with the letter to the editor. Actually, the letter to the editor is a letter of complaint to the concerned authorities. We write letter to the editor so that the editor give a space in his newspaper for our grievances against a certain problem, and the concerned authorities read it and our problems are solved. We are taking help of print media to solve our problems. So we'll discuss this further with the help of an example. The question is, write a letter to the editor of National Herald, New Delhi about water scarcity in your locality, suggesting ways to improve the position of water supply. You are Ramnath Rima of Ghaziabad. As you know, first address of the sender, then date, then address of the receiver, salutation, subject, then we start the body of our letter. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the problem of water scarcity in our colony. Problem of water scarcity is in our colony, and we want to aware the concerned authorities about this problem. It is still early summer and the residents are already facing acute water shortage in area. Supply is cut off at 8:30 a.m. in the morning and is restored only for half an hour in the evening between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So this sentence states our problem. Since the timings are erratic, many people, especially the working couples, are unable to store water. Now the explanation of the statement. Frequent complaints to Jal Board haven't yielded any result, as the authorities express their helplessness, saying that one of the tanks of Hyderabad water treatment plant is under repair. This sentence shows that we have already interacted with the authorities, but our problem has not been solved and has been shut down for a month or so, thereby affecting the water supply in the area. But it is nearly 1.5 months since the problem began, yet there is no respite to the residents. So this means ultimately, when we think that our problem has not been solved by frequent complaints to the authorities, then we take shelter of the newspaper. Then we take help of media. The Jal Board should, in the meantime, in this sentence we are giving suggestion, make provisions for water tankers at different horns of the day. Also, measures must be taken to expedite the repair work. Yours truly, Ramnath or Rima. So this letter to the editor is only the beginning, and ending are changed, as we have already discussed it in class 1. And the middle body of the letter is just like an article, statement of the problem, its effects, its reason हो गया, statement of problem is the reason, its effect on public, and 1 or 2 suggestions. Now you write this letter on your fair notebooks. Thank you, students.